Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open the Play Store or App Store on your phone to install Gboard. Tap Install and then Open to start the setup wizard for the keyboard. Follow prompts to grant permissions for microphone, storage, and keyboard access. Go to Settings, select Languages and Input, then choose Gboard as default. Customize themes, enable glide typing, and add languages in the app. Switch keyboards quickly by tapping the globe icon on the bottom row. Review Google's privacy settings to control data shared for. Place the cursor in any text field to open Gboard automatically. Tap keys normally or slide your finger across letters to use glide typing. Use voice typing by tapping the microphone icon and speaking clearly into the phone. Access emoji, GIF, and stickers from the emoji key on the toolbar. Tap Clipboard to paste recent items and pin frequently used snippets for quick access. Accept or reject suggestions from the suggestion bar above the keyboard while typing. Open the Gboard app to adjust settings like theme, layout, and text correction intensity. Enable one-handed mode from preferences to shrink the keyboard for easier thumb reach. Turn on multilingual typing to mix languages without switching keyboards manually. Use delete swipe and long press keys for quick punctuation and numbers entry. Enable sync to backup clipboard and custom dictionary across devices with your Google account. Update Gboard in the Play Store or App Store regularly for new features and security improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.